Good morning, retail traders. Welcome to the Sneaky Snake Trading Strategy. It is Monday and I'm in Rusty. Please subscribe and ring that bell. I'm going to do another uptake video here on Baba. I see that I successfully did a weekend video instead of today's. But live right now, this is Jack Ma. Jack Ma just got control of Ant Group, which is very good for Baba and China stocks, which means we could have a continuation run. We've had a pop this morning already. So let's go ahead and look at the chart. This here's the yearly chart, and I had a resistance in the previous video at 112.77 and along at 120.11 with a support level right down here at 104.78. And that is a confirmation of this vertical climb on the snake, plus a triple top break. So we definitely could pull back to that 104.78, but that's how far I got with it. So I'm going to pull up the 20-day 1 hour. We already had to pop to the 112.77, which I called out in that first video, and I think we can pull back a little bit. And our first support's going to be right here off the breakout candle that we had here right around I think it's right around 110.58. So we'll bring this up to the 3 minute. And we'll draw a trend line right there at 110.52. That's going to be our support level. We'll come over here and put the price line in. 110.57, 110.52. If that should hold today for a double bottom if we do decide to pull back. Now, as everybody knows, I like to trade on the 1 minute when I'm scalping, and I use the 200 SMA for the final support off that. So I'm going to be following this trade. If it doesn't hold to 65 and it pulls back and hits that 200 SMA on the 1 minute time frame, I'll take and I'll run it back up. But today's resistance to break will definitely be that 113. Then we'll take it back to the daily, and after that we break that 113, we got to take her up here to 120. That's going to be my long support, long resistance, with a support no lower than 104.78, and try to keep it here at 110.57 today, or take it off that 1 minute time frame of the 200 SMA. And that's Baba. So yeah, this is great news for Jack. He's been traumatized with the Chinese government for the last couple of years. And the stock's done nothing but pull back. If you look at the 3-year time frame, we had a high up here at 319.32, and it's done nothing but just had a downward climb, and then we started to reverse. So we definitely have to break this 120, and I'm going to call that a very hard resistance. Eventually this thing will get back up to 177 and meet up with that 200-day on the weekly time frame. But for right now, we just got to take it easy. Every pop, you could get a small drop. And that's it. So let's see how the China stocks do. There are a couple other good ones that you could follow. If you keep a good China watch list, I'd keep them in mind for at least till the end of the month. I think we still got a couple weeks of bullishness or maybe more out of China. And I think the momentum's picking up for the American stocks too, but we'll just have to see. We still have to worry about the Feds, and that's going to create some volatility for opportunities to get into the trade. That's Baba, Jack Ma. He's my second favorite CEO next to Elon Musk. I love the rebels. Have a great day. Retail traders.